Mr. Searside, hey, it's Phil Winnick. Listen, I apologize. We've been reeling into some crazy on and I just want to... Phil! Jeez! Phil! Oh.
You must back out a monkey.
What monkey? Get your own monkey!
Come on, you asshole, the fucking monkey. Come on.
Anytime Alan, pointing a gun at us.
This is our monkey! No one's getting shot over a fucking monkey! Hand him over now! God, I'd never get to keep no monkeys!
No.
Hey, Phil, check it out. He's got a banana on his helmet. These guys are the real deal.
What's happening? Hey, wait, hold on. How did this happen? You know who her friend is? Yeah. 16 years old, Asian kid.
Indian now, wait, American.
No, I don't understand what he said. No, I didn't understand. What'd he say? What'd he say? He said, fuck you and your question. Oh, my arm. Philip. Oh, my arm. Oh, I got shot. Fuck.
It's all right, Phil. It's all right. We'll figure this all out and get the monkey back, I promise.
Don't give a fuck about the monkey, Alan. Oh, shit. Look at my arm. What the fuck is going on? Still, am I going to be okay? You're a doctor. I don't know. Let me look. What? No, look at it. Stuart Price! Get your ass back over here! You got shot! I know!